I know the Conrad Hong Kong has been one of the most popular staycation hotels in Hong Kong, but today I'm not having a room tour with you guys as I believed you're all too familiar with it from watching other YouTubers clips. I'm taking you to the lobby lounge to have a taste of their afternoon tea. Well, you may say you have also watched a lot of information about the afternoon tea set from the staycation videos, but let me tell you, a staycation package offered free afternoon tea at the executive lounge, and from what I see in those clips, it's by no means comparable to the one served at the lobby lounge. As the name suggests, the afternoon tea is served at the lounge of the lobby, and the ambience is just at another level from the crowded executive lounge, which is originally designed for business travelers and not for staycationers, and you know what I mean. And of course, their afternoon tea does not disappoint. The tea is, as expected, from TWG, as it has almost had a monopoly status in 5-star hotels. And I've ordered, well, as always, Earl Grey tea, which is beautiful. And there it is, the 30th anniversary afternoon tea set. First, let's see the so-called iconic confections, which essentially means desserts. And what's not to love about the whole set of this chocolate cakes like this 30th anniversary cake? This tiramisu in chocolate cup from Nicolini. This modern black forest, though I don't know how modern it is. And this raspberry and pistachio tartlet. And can you recognize this mascot of the Conrad Hotel in this cookie? I'm actually a fan of this poached pear and vanilla syrup, shaved almond and chocolate sauce, as the pear itself is very fresh and the vanilla syrup and the chocolate sauce have made a fine balance between sweetness and freshness. This egg tart from Golden Leaf of Conrad's renowned Chinese restaurant is also a highlight of this afternoon tea. As for the savory ones, they're as good as the desserts, while the finger sandwiches are quite predictable, like this tuna sandwich, this cucumber sandwich, and this champagne ham and pimento cheese with rice sourdough. There are some highlights like this mushroom duxelle vol au vent, and this truffle arancini, which looks like filet o fish but tastes much better. For scones, while it may look a bit dry, it's actually quite buttery and is a perfect match with the clotted cream and the rose jam. Overall, this is a decent afternoon tea, although you might prefer sticking with your staycation plans by using up all the dining credits offered by the hotel. As a true luxury traveler, my meaning of staycation has always meant something unrelated to package tours.